Hello, welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see like how to use it name and main. Let me open IDEN. Okay, here already open. I'm just opening a new one here. Now let's see this. We already seen like def. I just want to print it something. I'll say like print hello world. Now what is the thing is that I should know the function name. Then only I'm able to run it. Right now if went somewhere, how do I remember this? So whether it is display or view or display, not sure, right? But if you remember this, then only you just able to run it, right? Now I'm just creating one file here, demo.py. I'm just same thing, I'm just printing it, save it, and in command prompt, see, I'll just go to desktop. I'm going to run it, python demo.py. It is not displaying because here you are able to see it display hello world, like, but here you are unable to see this. Right now here you're going to use this if name equal to main, this is double equal to, right, and colon, then you can call here display. That's it. Now save it. Now save it. Now you just run the same thing, python doy. Now you are getting it, hello world, right? Now you know the difference, so why we are using this name equal to main. Let's see now one more example. Here I want to add it something, def add a comma b. Then here I'll say like um c equal to a plus b, and then print, I'll say like um return c. Okay, now here you can use the same thing here. Now run it. You should know that add 5 comma 5. Okay, then you are able to see the 10 and something like that. But now I just want to get it input parameter once I trigger this demo.py. I don't want to use add or something like that, but I just want to get the things and then run it. And they should doesn't know that whether which function they need to use, the customer or end user. They don't they are they That is not required for them, right? They just simply run it like python demo.py, and then it should ask like just enter your first number, enter your second number, like that it should ask. So in this, what I'm going to say here is that I'm just using the same thing. Now see this here, I'll say like x equal to input, enter the number one hyphen something like this, and then y equal to enter the number 2. And here I'll say like add, I'll say like result equal to, my result equal to something like this, right? I'll say like add x comma y, or x comma y. I don't want to call it, I'll just simply leave it as. So once I call this one, it should automatically goes to here, and then it should print. So this is what I have written here, right? Now I'm just going to run this python, right? The same thing I'm going to write. See, it is asking enter the number 1 10, enter the number 2 20. So here it doesn't ask anything because I'm not returning anything, right? So what I'm going to do here is that result equal to this one. I'll say like return result, or I can say like print result. Here I will print it. Now I'll just run it. 10, 20. So here it is added because it is not considered as a integer. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll say like int of x, int of y. Now save it. Now run it now. 10, 20. So see 30. So here once I provided this python demo.py, it is automatically interacting with the end users. So for that we are going to use this one. So and then you can just print it name as well. Then you just come to know from which scope it is working on. Let's see this. 10, 20. Now see this, the name should is behaving and working under the scope of main. So this is the main purpose of using this both main and name. I hope you understand. See you in the next class. Bye.